Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. I hope all of you are very well, and today I'm going to teach you how to download R3.6.1 for Windows, and it is useful for both 32 and 64-bit desktop. And I'm also at the same time going to teach you how to download R Studio for Windows 10 and how to install it. Okay, so for this, first of all, I'm going to download R3.6.1 for Windows. So click this on your Chrome and search it. Okay, after search it, this page will pop up, and you can click on this. So after this, here is download R.3.6.1 for Windows. When you click on it, then it automatically start download R Studio on your desktop. Okay, and similarly, please go for download R Studio Windows 10. Okay, because to run well in your PC, it is necessary to download both R3.6.1 version as well as R Studio at the same time. So for download R Studio Windows 10, please click R Studio Windows 10 and search on it. After this page will pop up, and go to R Studio Desktop Posit. Okay, when you click on it, then automatically, sorry, my internet connection is disconnect. Now when you click on this site, then R Studio Desktop, this page will be open, and here is download option for R Studio Desktop for Windows. So click on it, it will automatically download. I have already downloaded R Studio. Here it is, and I have also downloading 3.6.1. It has been downloading over here. It takes few minutes, and after that after this, so after downloading R Studio and R 3.6.1, then let's go to hit installation procedure. For this both are exe file, you can open from here as well. I'm going to open it. First of all, go to R Studio. Now installation procedure has been started. It takes few minutes. Now click on next, again next. If you want to create shortcut, then you can tick here, otherwise click on install. So R Studio has been installed on your computer. It has been successfully installed. Now click on finish. Now after this, please go to here. Okay, another one, again open it. It again takes few seconds to few minutes to install, to completely installed. So please kindly wait for this. Now again installation process has been started for this too. It takes few minutes, few time. Please wait a while. Select the language to use during the installation. I am going to select English. If you are compatible with other language, you can select it accordingly. So click on next. Again click on next. Already access, because I have already installed my software. So it is accessing by showing this um, text. Now again I'm going to install it for you guys. So click on yes. So I'm going to click on 32 as well as 64-bit. Okay, So please specify yes or no, then click next. Use customize startup, accept default. Next. Create desktop shortcut. I'm not going to create any shortcut. Next. It has been started. Kindly wait a while. Now click on finish. Now we have done all the installation procedure. Now you can check or search RStudio. Sorry, please click on here, and here is RStudio. Okay, QR. So here is R and RStudio, new one. So I'm just going to open it. So while opening, this text will pop up. If your PC is of 64-bit, then you can check here. Otherwise, you can check accordingly. So yes, now your RStudio is ready to to analyze data. So thank you so much. This much for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so